Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, my buddy Bob is bringing his Northern Expedition 901 2023.
We have a situation. Bob, are you okay, Bob? Situation over here, but I think Bob's got a bigger situation going.
And we're gonna put some graphics on it. Anyway, let's wait for Bob. Now look what we got here in our midst. We got my buddy Bob. You know my buddy Bob? He ordered a flashy yellow with white and gray camouflage kind of look. Gonna clean up these parts a little bit. He cleaned the bike yesterday, he told me. He cleaned the bike yesterday. Probably not using Smokey bubbles. Yeah, he is actually using Smokey bubbles. So, not yet. We do not have Smokey bubbles in the shop yet. We're just handing out testers. So yeah, anyway, you'll be right back. And I'm gonna clean it up just a little bit with a little bit of fabric. Get the last dust off it. And then time to get rubbing. I mean, put stickers on. Now for just cleaning the bike, I'm using this Maxi Profi cleaner stuff. It's like a neutral-based cleaner. It's good for degreasing metal, and it also does not make any stains on whatever you put it on. Now, a lot of people sometimes take off all the fenders and all the covers so they can reach everything better. But look at your motorcycle as a working bench and just leave everything on. Just get a little chair. Get a strong working bench, look at that. Phew. Now, my good friend Bob is also an introvert, so you're probably not gonna hear him talk in the video because it just does not like to talk in front of cameras. Maybe I can get him to say something, but I can't promise anything. Now the first thing we are going to be doing after we clean up the motorcycle is mocking it all up. Now Bob, like I said, is on its way. And you need this blue, it's like paper tape. Comes out very easily. It's like papery tape. And we're gonna put the graphics all on the bike, like it should be. And second of all, if you're not used to putting graphics on a motorcycle, I'll suggest you use a hairdryer. Don't use one of these. This thing is evil. You only need to touch it like that and you're fucked. So you really have to be very careful with this one if you're working on your graphics. Because if you heat up your graphics too hard and stretch them too hard, it'll never go back to its natural state. So you're screwed. Now the graphics will probably fit kind of perfect, so you only need to heat them up just a tiny bit to give that little bit of stretch around the corners, but that will be it. And also when you're done doing the graphics, I'll show you guys why you need this as well on the end. So yeah, Bob has just returned. I have no idea why he has this cloth, no reason whatsoever. They have some kind of loop into it. We have the graphics down here. Like I said, it's like a flashy yellow, some camouflage style. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty cool. And this one comes from this kit. My kit comes from Dab Rabbit. And this is from Anyway, they have given a lot of stickers for their brand. That is good marketing though. Video tutorial over here. There we got it. This one is from hyena.it. I think it's Italy. Yeah. And when I say a lot of extra stickers for their brand, I mean a lot of stickers. Now, one of these is with this kind of glitter into it. So I think if you order a sticker set with some glitter, you get this one. It's like a little bit of pearl in it. Anyway, let's start the mock-up. I also thought Bob bought the extra straws to drink, but these are actually straws that go over the spokes. Yeah, you can just click these over the spokes. Now we're not really sure if we're gonna do this, but yeah, we'll see. Now the mock-up means you just put all the stickers with this blue paper tape where they're supposed to go. Yeah, gonna be looking something like that. Cool. Now when I'm done doing the mock-up, I only take this part off, and then I see I have about 4 or 5 millimeters left. I put the tape over there, a little bit like that. There we go. And now I know when I put this one on, I put this part against that one, and it should be perfect. Nice. Perfecto! Perfecto! Everybody has its own way of doing things. Probably people know it better as I do, but this is my way, and Bob does approve. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Now, all graphics are, of course, all different. And this is a funny one. We got one that actually bends that way, and then we got a little flap over here. Yeah. Don't be scared. Just put it on. For these harder parts, I open it up halfway, like that. Oh, there's a little bit of dust here. A little bit of dust off. Yep, okay. And I know I have to be 2 millimeters below the top here, a little bit here, and like that. Now, a lot of people use the squeegee, but I like to use my thumb because my thumb is more shaped like a front fender, you know? Ja, eens deze proberen.
Sorry, maar dat is zo aan gedaan. Echt?
Now, the front fender actually went pretty well. Can't really complain about this. This part went very well. This part I screwed up. Not really sure if you can tell it on the camera, but I screwed up just a little bit here. It was a little bit of an air bubble. And now it depends on the glue. So this graphics are from Hyena Italy. And mine actually was from Dab Rabbit. And with the Dab Rabbit graphics, you could easily like push out the bubbles. And this glue is so strong that I just can't push out the bubbles. So I had to make a little cut into it. I took it back off, tried it again, a little cut into it, push the air out. Then it's good, but yeah, I mean, the graphics are not that bad. The graphics are pretty good. The glue is pretty good, but the glue is goddamn hella strong. So if you have a little bit of an air bubble, it's really hard to push it out. Now, these graphics are a little bit harder to do because not only do they fold that way, they also fold this way, and then you got like these parts into it. They're a little bit more tricky, but you just gotta go for it. It's also not really my graphics, so I don't really mind. It's even worse if you have to do it for somebody else. It's even worse. So Bob just tried to do it one himself. Very easy one because it's just straight up. He has 3 bubbles. Now I have to put graphics on that are even harder to do than freaking rocket science. Buddy Bob only has to put on 1 freaking sticker that's just even more straight as this squeegee. And even then he had 3 bubbles. Oh Lord. And just like that, the bike is finished. Buddy Bob is very happy. Buddy Mike also showed up. With 2 of my best friends, Mike and Bob. Mike brought some beers. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it, the quick tips. And make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, drive safe, see you in the next one. See ya! If you want to know all about YouTube, just go to smokeytube.com, and if you want to see the next video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it's right over there, and subscribing is like done over there somewhere, I don't know. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and again, just click on that one and that one.